Well, hi, friends. Today we're looking at the Book of Ecclesiastes in the 5-Minute Bible, and the year is 2024. This is the Onhus Institute of Biblical Studies. I'm your old pal PapaDale, and I'm a retired pastor, teacher, theologian, and professor with over 50 years of service to the Lord Jesus Christ. If you want to know more about me, there are other videos on this playlist, but for now, let's go. This is Ecclesiastes of the 5-Minute Bible. The Book of Ecclesiastes, part of the Old Testament and attributed to King Solomon, represents a profound exploration of life's meaning and human existence from an evangelical perspective apart from God. Its unique tone and approach set it apart from other biblical texts, emphasizing the complexity of life, the inevitability of death, and the search for purpose in an often chaotic world. Ecclesiastes begins with the very famous declaration, "Vanity of vanities, all is vanity." Ecclesiastes 1:2. Now this phrase sets the stage for the author's contemplative journey, highlighting the transient nature of earthly pursuits and achievements. The author, often identified as Qoheleth or the preacher, provides insights drawn from personal experience and observation, encouraging readers to contemplate what truly matters in life. From an evangelical point of view, one of the central themes of Ecclesiastes is the futility of seeking fulfillment in worldly things. The preacher examines various aspects of life, including pleasure, work, wisdom, and the pursuit of wealth, ultimately asserting that these endeavors are often unsatisfying. This echoes the evangelical understanding that true fulfillment cannot be found in material possessions or success, but in a relationship with Yahweh. The text presents a candid acknowledgement of life's struggles and the acceptance of its inherent difficulties. The preacher reflects on the reality that both the righteous and the wicked face similar fates, leading to a meditation on the nature of justice and the sovereignty of God. This perspective encourages believers to trust in Yahweh's plan, even when circumstances seem unfair or perplexing. Hey, if He loves you infinitely, and He is infinitely wise, what is there to worry about? You may go through some difficult times, but ultimately, it's all for your good. Trust Him. Additionally, Ecclesiastes tackles the theme of time and the cycles of life. The well-known passage, "For everything there is a season," Ecclesiastes 3:1, serves as a reminder that God is sovereign over time and that each moment holds its significance within His divine plan and purpose. This teaching reassures believers that there is a time for every activity and encourages them to embrace life's seasons with faith and gratitude. Throughout the book, the preacher urges readers to cultivate a sense of enjoyment in the simple pleasures of life, such as food, drink, and companionship, Ecclesiastes 3:12. This focus on gratitude aligns with evangelical principles that emphasize living a life of thankfulness and acknowledging God's gifts in daily experiences. Ultimately, Ecclesiastes culminates in a call to fear God and keep His commandments, Ecclesiastes 12:13. This conclusion aligns with the evangelical understanding of importance of revering God as central to human experience. The preacher's exploration leads to the realization that despite life's uncertainties and paradoxes, a life centered on God's purpose brings meaning to our fleeting existence. In summary, Ecclesiastes serves as a reflective guide that challenges readers to ponder the meaning of life, urging them to seek God amidst the inevitable trials of life. Its rich insights resonate deeply within the evangelical faith, reinforcing the belief that true satisfaction originates not from human endeavors, but from a profound relationship with the Creator. This book continues to inspire and provoke thought, encouraging believers to navigate life's complexities with wisdom, faith, and hope. If you try to do life without God, it's a discouraging challenge. I'm your old pal, PapaDale. This is the year 2024. The lecture you just watched is Ecclesiastes from the 5-Minute Bible for the Jan Hus Institute of Biblical Studies. Until the next video, this is your old pal, PapaDale, signing off for now and saying, I'll be praying for you that you'll be well and that you'll be blessed.